Hi, sweet friends. Welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Rebecca. In today's episode, come along with me as I prepare some items for our booth and going to get it decorated. So I'm going to take you guys on this journey with us. I got my white chalk paint, and then this is just a clear sealing wax. And guys, you have to excuse my mess. I got on a bunch of old clothes for cleaning and painting, and let's just go ahead and get started. Well, I have put off on getting this buffet painted, but now that we've got the booth signed up, I got to get crack-a-lacking. Just in case you don't think your furniture gets dirty through the years, there it is, guys. Now, this buffet was given to us for free, and I'm going to put a couple of coats of the chalk paint. After cleaning the buffet up with the crud cutter, I did decide to go ahead and remove the hardware. I don't like paint on the hardware, no matter what color it is. I don't know if I'm going to paint the hardware. We'll see. I'm so happy to take you all through this process as I redo some of the furniture and as I set up my booth. I will take you through as many steps as I can and share this process with you. We're really excited. We're calling this a hobby booth, but we just love thrifting and selling. You all remember the homemade pies that I made? Well, if you don't remember, I'll put that link in the description box below. I show you how to make these. I had some of the pot pie tins left, so I decided to go ahead and put those together. They're just a lot of fun to make. And so I've got about 20 of them to go into the booth. So I just went ahead and put those together really quick, and they're already done, ready to be marked and go into the booth. Do you guys remember when I made the little farm fresh eggs? I ordered these from Amazon.com. Well, I had a few of them left. So I took my stamp and just put farm fresh eggs. I have some raffia. And then I have some eggs, some that I ordered from Amazon. I think I got 30 for around $10. Little plastic eggs, and here's one already done. But I take these, and because I'm going to sell these in a booth, if I was doing it at home, I would just drop the eggs in, and I'm the only one that would be handling it. But with other people picking it up, looking at it, I want to put a little bit of glue and put them in. I just have some of this Craft Bond Elmer's glue. You can use any kind of little glue. And what I do is just dab a little bit of glue on the bottom, drop them in. You can place them any way you want. If you want your eggs in there a little crooked, or you can place them all straight. This is how it all turns out. And I will mark them and take them to my booth. But how cute of a decoration does that make? So I wanted to share that with you. Okay guys, let's head on down to Vendors Village and let's start setting up the booth. Our booth size is a 9 by 10, and it already has all the pegboard there on the walls. Now, they told us that we couldn't do a whole lot, but we could do layers, so keep that in mind. So we added the rug, and we had to put the double-sided tape. Don't want anybody to trip over it. But this is our first load, taking it down, and then while Larry's at work, I'm going to go add some more of the smalls. We have another big piece of furniture to get, but that buffet was a bear to get down there and get in there just between Larry and myself. But this is how it looks so far. And although that rod up there doesn't quite meet all the way over, we want to fix that so that that curtain goes all the way across that back wall. And then I added my farmhouse at Meadow Hill sign that I had made for a craft room many years ago. I held on to that, and I'm glad that I did. And we've added that, and now I'm going to get ready to bring down all of the smalls and start layering it in the booth. Okay, today, it's been 2 days since we set this up, and now today we have taken this shelf, and if you remember, I found this on Facebook Marketplace for like $35, and I painted it. I've used it a while in my sewing room. So we were able to get that set up today, and here's what we've got done so far. You're going to see we still have a lot of extra space. I've still got a lot of things to get marked and take down there, but we took a load today, and this is what I've got done so far. Up there, that little post was already there. Mr. Fix-It hung that chain so we could hang baskets on there, and I had some greenery, and everything in the booth has a price except for the buffet and the shelf unit. Everything else is priced. I took a couple of hooks for my shower curtains. Those were custom shower curtains that I had used in my last home, and I took 3 hooks, and I just sort of zigzag those back and forth there, and they hang so everybody can see the full length of those shower curtains. And then the back wall looks all farmhouse style, and I draped some quilts over the back of the ladder back chairs. And the rug, of course, is not for sale, but the small rug, the primitive style one, I think I've got $10 on that. This is what it looks like so far. So guys, let me know if you're interested in seeing how I decorate my booth. Let me know in the comments if it's something you want to see. Maybe we can do that maybe once a month and show you what's changed, maybe what's sold. But let me know, because, you know, if this isn't something that you want to see, maybe we just stick with the decorating and other things on my channel. I would love to leave some Bible scripture with you today. In 1 Chronicles 16:8-11, give thanks unto the Lord, call upon his name, make known his deeds among the people, sing unto him, sing psalms unto him, talk ye of all his wondrous works, glory ye in his holy name. Let the heart of them rejoice that seek the Lord and his strength, seek his face continually.